welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I do unboxings and today I have my Singleswag unboxing. Want to see what's in it? Just give me a second. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And if you're returning, you know the routine. Thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. So Singleswags, it's a monthly subscription box. You don't have to be single to enjoy this box. It's mainly a lifestyle box. It has all sorts of fun different things in there. It puts makeup in there, it puts lifestyle things in there, it puts books in there. Just has a variety of items in there. I want to say it's like comes around $39.99 a month. I will leave a link below. There's always discounts out there for 35% off. So you can check it out and you can get, a month to month. You can get a 3-month. I think I did a 3-month subscription on it and it cost me like $90. So you can just test the waters or you can, do 3 or 6 months. And so let's get into it. Mine looked like it was run through the mailbox or mail service ringer here. You open it up. Oh, and look at this. Singleswag, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag @Singleswag. We pick a winner each month. There you go. Get $15. You refer a friend and you can get money. And then there's a card with everything that's in the box. And we know we love cards that come in boxes. So let's see what we got in here. There's also, I'm gonna go for the food. There is Pearline strawberry flavored. You can put these in hot chocolate, you can put these in coffee, you can put these in tea, or you can eat them right out of the can. But I don't think I've ever tasted the strawberry. I know I get the chocolate, the mocha for my coffee, but yeah, worth the price of the box right here. So I do love those. And let's see, cream-filled wafers. Indulge in these delicious flaky treats and they retail for $4. The next thing is, I think they pretty much always put socks in their box. They put fun socks in their box. And these look like they're a knee-high. Not sure what they're doing in a summer box, but I can always put them away because you're always looking for socks at the wrong time. So we do have a pair of socks. And how much are our socks? And I do smell something good in here. I can't find the socks. Oh, here they are. They are richer or poorer socks and they retail for $14. Oh, what smells so good in here? And then, is it this? Soothe and Cool Peppermint and German Chamomile Massage Oil. But I can smell the peppermint in this. So this is what it looks like. So, oh my God. I could just open the bottle and leave it out as a room freshener. Directions for optimal use: apply on clean skin after shower when skin is damp. Warm 5 to 8 drops of oil by rubbing your palms together and then massage onto affected areas. Reapply is needed. Ooh, I bet you this just smells better when you warm it up. So, enjoying that. And our massage oil. It's probably right in front of me. I see lip oil. The massage oil, Way of Will, it's got apricot in there, retails for $30 and it soothes away your pains. Oh, here's the lip oil. And color infused hydrating oil. Oh, I'd say it has some color. I bet you it's not as dark when you put it on. But that looks nice. All about your skin. And the Jelly Pong Pong lip oil. It's therapeutic lip conditioner. Fuses all the benefits of balm and gloss into an oil-like concoction without gooey stickiness. And that retails for $22. Then, I think I saw, this is a manicure set. Now, when we were like quarantined at home, I had to do my own nails, but the nail salons over here opened up and I did go out and have my nails done. But this is a really nice manicure set. So if you do like doing your own nails, this is perfect. I, on the other hand, I'm a hot mess when I do my own nails. But it is a really nice set. I suppose I could do my toes, because if I botch them up, nobody would see them. So that is a nice manicure set. And now that I can't get it back in our manicure set, retails for $18. It's got clippers, nail file, cuticle pusher, nail cleaner, and multi-purpose scissors. That's really nice. Ooh, we got something by Steve Laurent. It's in a box. So this is really a nice, as I said, it's got a nice array of products. Now, if I can open it without ruining it. Seriously. I don't know if it's taped. Okay, can I get the Steve Laurent item in here? This is the shade palette, and it retails for $36. I'm gonna have to use the nail things. Okay, I'm back. My struggles are real. It took me forever to get this open. This is, I better put something on here. These are the colors. They are beautiful colors. I don't know if you can see them, so I'll flash them all over. But yeah, it was super hard to open though. That is really a nice palette. And that's the case. And the Steve Laurent Shade Palette retails for $36. So that is nice. Ooh, ooh. We have the Spongel Honey Blossom. Ooh, it's a petty buffer with built-in cleanser. Cleanse and buff all in one. I don't think I have seen this. Let me see. Honey Blossom Petty Buffer. Treat your feet with this body wash infused buffer with a built-in cleanser and soothing extracts that will whisk away dry skin and leave your feet soft and silky smooth. Dermatologist tested, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and made in the USA. It's $18. I don't think I have ever seen one like this. Oh my God. I think I just put it up to my mouth. Wow. Okay, I have to make sure I take that out and put that in the shower. Oh my God, it smells so good. And there is one more item. They always include jewelry. The problem I have is all their jewelry, when they put it in the box, they say it's worth like more than it is. And this is the item. Is there a card in here? 2-in-1 necklace and bracelet set, where each versatile piece is a necklace or bracelet by wrapping around your neck or wrist and adjusting the easy cords. And it's got a picture of what to do. The problem I have with this type of jewelry is it looks like it's made for a younger girl. I mean, even somebody, a teenager or early 20s, because of the cord and even the colors. I don't think I'm going to take it out. You let me know what you think. But yeah, it's cute. Maybe if it was on a silver chain or something else, but I just can't picture wearing those shoelace type of cords. And let's see what these are. The Summer Vibes Rope Necklace and Charm Set, they retail for $60. Now, I would never pay $60. Even if I was buying it for a gift for a younger person, I would not pay $60. It's cute, but that's the only problem I have with their jewelry, is that they up the price. But I love the box. We got 8 items in it. The retail value is $202. Again, they're pricing this at $60, and yeah, no. So we got the necklaces. I like this a manicure set. The foot soap, definitely I'm gonna use. These should be gone by the middle of the week. I always use socks. This Steve Laurent eye palette, total keeper. And I can't wait to try this massage oil after my shower. So that is a keeper. And the lip oil is a keeper. So overall, I like the box. I think they give you a variety of items. The only thing is I have never found a piece of jewelry that I absolutely liked. in one of their boxes. But, you know, there have been people that have loved their jewelry. So I will leave the link below. As I said, with the discount, it's really a great value for the box. So leave comments below. Let me know what you thought. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.